Current messages from your partner. Let's see what are the current messages from your partner. This will be a quick reading, okay? Five of Swords. They are telling you that they know that they are deceptive, they are not expressing their feelings, they are going in and out in your life, and they are not giving you clarity right now, and they know that you are very upset because of that. They know that they are hurting you and they have hurted you badly, and they have broke your heart many times, and they are still breaking your heart, and they regret about it very much. They want this equality in relationship. Now they feel your pain. Now they want to make everything correct. They want equality, they want justice, and they want to give you this equal share of love which you have given to them. They want this Two of Cups. They want to love you as much as you love them. They regret behaving with you rudely. They regret not caring about you. They regret ignoring you, hurting you, betraying you. Now they want to come again in your life. They want to call you, they want to message you, they want to give this equal share of love. They want to say sorry. They know that they have done wrong with you, and they are really very sorry about that. Now they will give you this equal love, equal efforts, equal appreciation, equal respect which you have always given to them. They are telling you to relax. They are coming very soon. They are telling you to breathe, to relax, and to not worry about this relationship too much, because they are not going anywhere. They are with you and they will always be with you. Co-create. They want to create this beautiful life with you. Now they will give equal give and take. They want to create this beautiful future, this beautiful relationship, and now they are ready to put equal efforts in this relationship. They know that they have been ignoring you, and they have been wearing this fake mask all the time in this relationship, and you are not able to see their true side, their true colors, their true feelings. But now they are ready to express their true feelings for you. Blessed. They are blessed to have you. They feel blessed to have you in their life. They thank God daily for having you in their life, and now they want to give this blessing of true love to you, and they want to come back again. They want to say sorry. They want your forgiveness. You will be shown the way. The divine is showing you the way. The divine is bringing you both together very soon. Hard work ahead. There will be hard work ahead to start this relationship again. Forces working against you. Right now, situations are against you. Right now, things are not going your way, but soon they will be. Problems to be resolved. There are some problems which needs to be resolved, and your partner wants to resolve those problems with you. Pay attention to your finances. Your partner wants you to pay attention to the finances, to your career, and to focus on yourself. Temporary problems. Your partner is telling you that these are all temporary problems, and soon they all will be resolved soon, and they still love you a lot. If you are feeling that they do not love you or they're ignoring you, no, they are not. They still love you a lot. They want to come again in your life. They want to sort out everything. So these are quick messages from your partner. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Thank you.